Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Today we're going to show you how to give your lawn a breath of fresh air through aeration. Aeration will strengthen the roots of your grass and improve the health of your lawn. The easiest way to aerate your lawn is with a pair of aeration sandals or a garden fork. Aerating involves creating channels in your soil that allow air, water and important nutrients to reach the root system of your lawn. In addition, your lawn's roots are encouraged to grow deeper into the soil, which further allows them to absorb nutrient and source water that wouldn't have been accessible without aeration. The main reason for aerating is to alleviate soil compaction. Soil compaction limits the amount of air, water and nutrients that can get down into the roots of your lawn. Simply insert the fork into the lawn and punch holes into the soil, giving the fork a wiggle to better fracture the soil. In order to achieve adequate aeration, you may need to go over the area twice in a different direction each time. You can also hire specialist aerators if you have a particularly large lawn. Different soil types require different amounts of aeration. If you're on clay-based soils, you'll need to aerate at least once a year. For sandier soil types, once a year or once every 2 years will be fine. Just remember, the harsher the soil conditions, the more you'll generally have to aerate. Aerating will improve root strength and the overall health of your lawn. Remember, aeration is often the most overlooked, yet one of the most important maintenance steps in lawn care. Subscribe to the Lawn Solutions Australia YouTube channel for more helpful lawn care tips and advice.